everyone. Welcome to Women Who Code podcast. So, today our topic is how do you balance yourself between personal and professional growth? Like, there are so many challenges today. Like, we have to learn so many things, and there are so many competitions around there. We are associated with so many networking events, so many communities, so many open source technologies, so we usually stuck in between personal and professional growth. So today I will would like to say about my progress, about how I balance myself. I know that can't not be too very perfect, but yeah, still learning. So that is how my journey been till now, and will continue and improve further too. So firstly, I talk about my professional growth career. So yeah, I have learned. I have working on as a web developer. I'm working on Angular and having a 3+ years of experience in IT industry. And I would love to create the websites and done so much related to creative work. And I learned so many things and did a mentoring in open source events to improve myself, to improve my knowledge, and so on. And about my personal life. So yeah, in my personal, like, I love traveling and I love to contribute it in like open source technologies, like open source communities. I joined the networking events, meet new people, to know about them, and to bring more networking so that I will create more, I will learn and create more knowledge towards my career and my growth. So the main thing is like, if you don't know about what does community do usually. So in our one who code, let me tell you, I'm also a woman Techmakers ambassador at Google Developer Groups Indore, India, and associated at co-organizing at GDG Cloud Indore, like Google Developer Crowd Community. So here we do the lots of networking events. We bring women empowerment, and just like we do in Women Who Code networking activities. So we bring so many networking, and we have to face so many challenges in between, such as like, how do we manage people, how to influence people, like if we want to make with somebody, and like that somebody is not listening to us, so how we will make listen to somebody. So there are so many challenges that we have to face and balance those things. So like, what we casually have to do, like we divide the task into certain roles and responsibilities, and do the task very efficiently. And this is the first task. And the second thing is engagement. Your community engagement should be more enthusiasm. Like you have to meet and talk daily, not daily, but casually, usually, so that people know you well, about your nature, and so on. So the main thing is like, if you are working as a professional or student, so how will you balance like with community work as well? So if you are part of any community, and it's not just about taking a load, or you are having a tension over it, like I just wanted to contribute, but parallelly I just wanted to give the chance to my career. Yeah, career is very important. Career priority is very high. So I would say that yeah, it's a topmost priority, and there is no one to chase you, judge you. It's your choice to distinguish between them. It's up to you. It's up to your life. It's up to your choice. You have to choose which is your priority. Your work is your priority at that moment, or your community work is your topmost priority at that moment. I know professional life is very important because we like bring the salary, or like student life is also very important because we are going for some degree, and after that we will make our career best as much as we can. So yeah, that is also important. And apart from that, if you have some community challenges, community work, that is also you are doing the networking part, like you are also learning the things. So that learning is never be the disadvantage into your career. I must say. Because believe me, someone said to me this thing: if you are doing community work, if you are doing like your job work, so nobody tell you about which is your priority. You decide your priority. You have to do the task. So I will decide where when I have to complete it, both the test on what time. So if you get the learning on both the ends, so this will be the perfect balancing. Like you can give like it this hours I have to give my community work. You like just give the commitments what you will do, not you have to do. Like if you can't do anything, just say in front of people. I think you should straightforward to the things. Yeah, people say about like straightforward is not the thing. Straightforward is not that way which we have to go and not for that. But I think straightforward nature is very, very best because you will tell the things upfrontly to the people. That is a very, very good thing which you can tell about that. So I believe you should be the straightforward to the people. And apart from that, like we can say about the challenges. We have to face so many challenges which we have to focus on. Challenges such as like the learnings, your goals about your professional and the career growth. And the main thing which I forgot to say about the woman empowerment. Women always hesitate to do the things. Women also like don't say the things upfront to the people. That is very, very challenging for them, which I can say. So I believe that like we should motivate and encourage and like support women to do the things. And apart from that, I believe like you you will decide like you are the like owner of your life. I say nobody can rule your life, and nobody can say that you have to do this, you have to do that. You will decide which task is like main priority to you. I talked about my professional growth, networking, and the woman empowerment, and so on. The main thing is which we have focused about the balancing towards the challenges and the things. So I can say that like be positive, and you will balance the things according to your interest. Your interest and your passion are very, very important. If your passion is something you wanted to opt for that, you will definitely do that no matter what. And just the last and the not the least, but I believe that like you should do the things according to your career path. Like the goal is not that so big so high. We can't compare the summer goals to us because our goal is different and the other people goal is very, very different. So don't compare yourself to somebody else. Your goal is your life, another goal is somebody else's life. Everybody has some different opinions, everybody has some different perspectives. So it is totally fine, which we have to opt for. Like, we cannot judge who is correct or not, who is not correct. So we cannot say about that. So the next thing is like in women who code, women techmakers, any other women tech communities, what they claim or they brought the initiative for, because they think like we can bring more women empowerment, we can bring more women in technology, we can motivate more women to the people, and so on. Because there are so many challenges which today's women faced. The lack of initiatives. Women don't take the initiatives about each and everything. So this is what the community is for, to take the initiatives, to opt for the new roles, and so on. I would say that you should opt for what you wanted to. This is the most like challenging things, and I would say like you are the one who owns your life, so don't get demotivated about towards the people. Stay focused about your career, and the most important thing is like you have so much to do and each and everything. So I believe it ki, you will do and succeed in each of everything. So don't push so much harder, just push lightly and just focus. And that's all I wanted to convey. Like, I wanted to say thank you, Woman Code, for giving me this opportunity to give my short talk, short just about this particular topic. And would happy to connect with you folks. You can reach out to me on my social channels such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. You can like follow me on Twitter at the rate Priyal Jain 919. You can follow me on Instagram at the rate Priyal underscore Jain double underscore. In LinkedIn, you can search me as a Priyal Jain Woman Techmakers Indore. You can easily find me there. I would love to help you out as I can be, and I would love to learn from you, folks, as well. Please spread and give me the comments or suggestions about what you think about what are the challenges or the things you have to face in your life. That's all. Thank you. Bye.